This ear massage therapy boosts the blood flow, circulate around the face, brighten up the skin. Let's start with the lobule, or what people commonly call the earlobe. Massage the earlobe by grasping the entire lower part of the ear, not just the tip. Relax your face and your entire body. Enjoy this time for yourself. Hello viewers, thank you so much for coming to my channel. So many of my viewers recently commented and thanking me how their faces have dramatically changed. Thank you so much for your support. The next massage is called tragus. Massage here with your index fingers. This is good for tinnitus, or some people pronounce it tinnitus, and headaches. When you maintain a healthy body, your face will automatically look youthful. Now press here with your index fingers to perform acupressure. Make circular motions in front of the ears. A 2006 study showed that this could help with tinnitus and sinus issues. Keep going. Find the tender spots and continue massaging the area. Make some circles here. Massaging this area greatly helps with migraine headaches. Some people even pierce this area to stimulate the acupuncture point and relieve migraines. Alternate your jaw from left to right. This helps stimulate the face and cheek area, giving them a good workout. Split your fingers into pairs and massage beneath the ears. We're stimulating the lymph nodes just below the ear, where fluid from the face and neck area drains through. I'm starting with the earlobes, then moving upward to the middle of the ear, and finally to the top. Then come back downward and go back up. Just doing this movement feels so relaxing, and I can feel the wonderful warmth across my face. Massage the back of your neck like this and just relax. We are almost done. Squeeze the outer edges of the ears. Your ears worked hard today. Let's calm the ears by gently resting the palms of our hands on them. Let's finish this session with a lymphatic drainage once again to remove the fluid that has accumulated throughout the session. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.